Maybe this was something the tree was leaning, maybe. So they put it in there. See him? Don't know how these bugs live through the winter, but they do. Something stepped on these, you can tell. See how different? Yeah. There's some more coming up right there. They lined them down this way. Hope the flowers come back up. Believe it or not, these I think are so cool. They're getting bigger. I thought this was a dogwood tree. There's one blooming. Right there, see? It's starting to bloom. Here's another one. I want to say white flowers come out, but I could be wrong. I don't know. It's been a while since I researched. Stick still in the ground. That was from the wind. See, you got this one right here, that one right there, and then that one, and they're in the ground. I'm leaving them there. I think they're cool. I think it's God's way of protecting us. This all needs to be burnt soon. They're coming back. I thought they were gonna die, but they're coming back. These ones survived the snow, believe it or not. Barely, but they did. Thank God. Karen from my front porch friend. Look, they bloomed this morning. These flowers mean a lot to us. Something that she talks about all the time. It's a good sign. And for those that don't know, when they die off like that, they go down into the ground and they plant